All right, we good? Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, guys? Good morning. Wow. Did not expect to wake up like this. I can't even hardly move. I mean, I can. Don't get me wrong, I can move, but that shit hurts like hell. So I don't know. I might have moved wrong or did something yesterday. Um, and it's just my lower back is killing. My back is killing me. Um, it's it sucks. It really does. But it is what it is. Hope you guys are having a great morning. How are you guys? I was going through a couple levels this morning, so I didn't sleep at all last night really because I got a few hours to sleep, but it was so hard to just get it just without trying to move, and then it was like every time I moved, I would just feel like it's on my left. It's like my lower back by my ace. And it is what it is. It's what happens when you get older, I guess. Um, Thanks you guys for joining us. If you could hit this like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna go through some levels with you guys real quick. Let you guys know what are we thinking to the short side, upside. What is it? So we know how to position ourselves. Getting so fucking irritable with this damn desk here without not having enough fucking room to do what I need to do. That's right. We're starting off the day like that. How about that? That's how we're feeling. No, it's not how we're feeling. But I hope you guys are doing good. I'm alright. I'm doing alright. I'm gonna be looking to be long. I'm gonna be looking to be long the stronger names and then short the weaker names. You want to keep an eye on like healthcare, banks, your Dow stocks. I need a whole new fucking setup. But that's a whole nother story. Let's go here, see what the spy is doing. Let me make sure that I have sound. Yep, we're good. We have sound. Check, check, mic, check, 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 check. It's like, no. I always wanted to do that. You see that stuff in movies. Okay, we're good. What's up, everybody? What news do we have this morning? First off, let's see. So we have our basics. We have our Nvidias. We have our Microsofts. We have our Teslas. Okay. There was some expected to hike interest rates Wednesday, and massive companies from Google to Ford, Meta, McDonald's report. Well, duh, we know this. And like we've said, the Dow, we are looking to continue to ride that on whenever we get our pullbacks, though. Whenever we get our pullbacks. I think we'll get a pullback today. I don't think we have much data either. I don't know what type of day we're going to have. It could be a nice, slow, calm day, guys. A great day to go over your charts and really... SPY's already trading, or at least Tesla. Like, Tesla's already trading sideways. Tesla's trading sideways. Tesla looks like a nice setup. Just from intraday perspective. There is I'm gonna have to find the news. I gotta get everything set up. It's already 9 o'clock. So I have levels already up here for us. Alright, let's do it. Let's just go into it because I don't think, you have Tuesday, Wednesday, we don't really have anything until tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. Why is my earnings thing not up here? And then after, yeah, it's not really until tomorrow morning and tomorrow. Tomorrow is when it really kicks off. So, I wouldn't stress too much about earnings, please. Wow. Crazy. If you guys have any questions, just throw them in the chat. There's not really anything I need to know before the market opens. At least I don't think. So 71 Goldman Sachs reports earnings. July 19th. This is old. Why are you sending me that? Let's go. Alright, so, and then we have no real data, I don't think. Why is it not up here? I mean, we just got to make sure, because you don't want to get into a trade and then something is coming out. I mean, we do have S&P PMI, so you are going to want to wait. So, again, if you guys get into any positions, right here is your, you need to watch out for this. All right, at 9:45, just be aware that, especially if there's a surprise, the market's going to move. I don't expect there to be, and I don't expect there to be too much movement. Man, Tesla might have a nice rally. I want to see if Tesla can get back up to Friday's close. Let's go through the charts. S&P. Just not much today, right? Okay. All right. Let's do it. Let's go to Tesla. Oh, first, let's go into Microsoft. So what are we looking for? All right. Come on. Come on. So we have the SPY, right? We have the SPY. I want to know what the SPY is going to do. All right, do we pull back and do we test yesterday's or Friday's close, which is way down here? I know I have a ton of lines on this chart, and I got to get them off. I got to clean them up, but I will. I will do that later on today. It's a ridiculous looking chart, I know. Thank you for bearing with me. It looks like, honestly, if we go to, an hourly, what does that look like to you? It looks like a break and a retest of this, pivot. Put in a tail right off that double top. Maybe we test this 454 area again. I'm going to see if we can bounce back up to 454. The thing is we might come down and test 451.50 before we go up there. Okay? But you need to know what the SPY and the overall markets are going to do first. I think we sit in the range. I really do. I'm going to be short at like 453.75. Call it 454. Let's see, 454.08. Let me go to a 5-minute and see what we have. TLGA in a filing said on July 23rd. I mean, what's the upside going to be for that? All right, 453.68. I'm just going to say it now. This area. It's an area. It's like it's a 20-cent area, guys. All right, so we'll look. I'm going to look to be short. I'm going to look to see if we turn this back into rejection. Right. See, it's that whole range is what's weird about this. All right. I got to do something with these charts. I really do. These charts are bugging me so bad, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this right here. And we will look to be short here. Unless we break. And if we break, you're going to go up to the upper part of the range. Now, does it break? That's the thing, too. Does it break in anticipation that some of these earnings may not be bad? And this was just a profit-taking environment. Was this just profit-taking? What was the reason for this pullback? There wasn't really necessarily a catalyst other than Tesla and Elon Musk trying to get his stock lower. Elon Musk talking his stock down. That's it. So we have Little pivot top right here. Broke, held. Let's see where we get. Maybe we do get up to 450, 450 today. Maybe we do get there. This is the area I'm going to watch, though. I'm going to be watching this area, 453.75. All right. Maybe we get downside before we get upside. Who knows? All right. But the Qs have a nice setup. I got to clean that SPY chart up. That's so bad. It's so ugly. I don't know what I'm thinking. So the Qs have been remaining weak. All right. For whatever reason. For whatever reason. I mean, why are the Qs weak? I don't know. I have no idea. Can you guys tell me? Because the mid cap and small cap, mid cap, like tech companies have been rallying. So, you know, we're gonna look for support. We're gonna look for support to hold. What I'll do is I'm gonna look for Friday's close. All right, I'm gonna look for Friday's close to hold. If we get back down there, and if it doesn't, break retest to the downside. Where's my next downside at? I'm going to give you these areas too. I'm going to give you guys some numbers. So we got a little bit of a range going on here. I'd like to see if we, even if like right now, let's say we pull back. Okay, there's nothing really here. That's the problem. There's nothing really here other than this little pivot top to hold us up. But if the SPY goes up, you know, SPY is tech, is heavily weighted in tech more than anything else. So Friday's close, okay, 375.58. We're going to start looking to see if this area holds again. All right, and I can put a little green box there. All right, I put that dotted line there just because. Yeah, this area right here. So it's right on it. It held for a reason, I take it. So we're going to look to be long right there. At least I'm going to look to be long. And I mean, you can get, I mean, this is only a few points. You know, it's only a few points. Oh, my back. This shit sucks. Sucks. All right, there we go. All right. If we break, I will see. The thing is I expect us to retest this area maybe one more time before we break it. All right, or we're gonna roll this over right here. This area right there. And we're going to break it. We're going to sell off, break, retest, and then go to the downside to test 370.40. 370. All right. All right. So let's go over. There's a lot. Like we have Kava. There's all kinds of stuff, guys. This was an IPO. It came out a few days ago. Decent food. I like it. Here's your area right here. There's a 30-minute chart. Let me get this up. Boom. So you have a double top here. Let's go to the daily. Make it a little easier on us. Okay. There's a pivot double top. She's holding. She's holding. She's holding. So look at that 9 EMA bounce. You know, this is a nice setup here. This is a pretty nice setup. We just got to. The thing is I want to see the volume. I want to start seeing the volume come in on this thing. Needs volume. All right. If you don't have volume, and it may be tough for this thing to break up and out because of the amount of sellers that may be waiting for this thing to do something with itself, and they're ready to sell it. So I'm going to go over NVIDIA, Tesla real quick. Again, it's holding. So, no. Bastard. Busted. You busted. Alright. That is the initial sell-off. Let me get this number 2 as support. So we're going to watch this thing if it just can continue up. I want to make sure I'm seeing everything as I should. Okay. I don't know if this has options yet. And here's your downtrend. Okay. Here's your downtrend. And you want to see if we can break up and out of this. Look at that. You want to see if we can break up and out of this. All right. If we do, I'm taking this thing long to 55.50. All right. I'm going to go see if we can test previous highs. All right. So we have a couple more. So there's our range. We're on the bottom part of the range right now. So again, what are we watching for? I will put up this low here. So we're on the 5-minute. You know, you just, it's still okay. You know, just watch it for it to break out of this. Okay, watch it, see if it breaks out, and if it breaks out of that downtrend, it breaks out, pulls back, boom, you could really start to see some heavy hitters come in on this thing. All right, that's $49. That's $50. That's $5. $5-6 upside. I will be taking profit. Oh, man, you know, it's like you have your minor levels here. Okay, so there's one, and then you want to go back to, there's a double top high. There's a double top here. So if we do, I'll take profit into this level, see what we do. You know, and it could take a couple days to get to the upside. Look at it. You know, it's been sitting here. Now it's trying to curl itself up. Looks like it, see how it like curled itself up right here? It's trying to like go and go higher, but it didn't. It made a lower low. It might pull back a little bit. We'll see. I'm just keeping this thing on watch. All right, we'll keep that on watch. Let's get into the good stuff. Let's get into NVIDIA. All right. NVIDIA is putting in a break and retest of sorts. Let's go to the daily. All right, it's above all major moving averages. We can go to the weekly. I was going to put in the chat if you guys thought we would close red or close green on the week. What did you think? But there's so much data. It's just like, like look at this. Look at this flag on the weekly. Look at that weekly bear flag. That's insane, guys and girls. You know, the volume isn't there, but look at that. If you guys have William O'Neill, How to Make Money in Stocks book, that's perfect textbook pennant, boom, to the upside. All right, but you need the volume. You had the volume on the flag. You know, you had a light. It's just, you know, you want lighter volume on the pullback. All right, so there is a chance that this thing can still be a little bit of a runner at 441.50. Let's go to, that's just a weekly chart. Let me go to the daily because, no, it's above all moving averages. Let's go to 15-minute chart or 30-minute even. All right, let's do it. There we go. So we got our break. There's the flag I'm telling you about. All right, there's the flag. There's the topside resistance. Now we watch it. Does it put in a double bottom here? Let's watch and see if it puts in a double bottom here. All right, I do want to see. So you put in a low. See how we've been putting in new lows, but the MACD has been rising. That's bullish divergence. I think I went over this last night. All right, I went over it last night. So what we'll do is we will watch Friday's close. Okay, we're going to watch Friday's close and low. That's what I'm going to do. We still have a couple minutes. Good. Good. So open, close. All right. So we'll do this, edit properties. We're going to go to the dotted line with turquoise because we all know what that is. And you know, we can still also always test this area. This whole area would be a buy zone, you know, in and of itself. So, because it wicked down to this pre-market or after hours, you know, where it broke and put did a small break and retest. Like, look how tiny that is, and then you did it. That was able to hold this whole rally. It's just funny, you know. So here we're getting the pullback. So write these levels down, guys. You got to write them down. You don't have to do anything. NVIDIA, I'm going to be looking at Friday's close. All right. Let's see here. 5-minute chart. Boom, boom. 5-minute chart. It's starting to curl up. So I'm going to be looking for... See if we get our pullback. What's it trying to do? I'm trying to read it. I'm trying to gauge it. I'm kind of curious if these things kind of just don't give it to us today and put in a base and then get, like, try to build itself up. Let's see here. Let's see. Now, it's going to be an area, guys. It's going to be an area. All right, it's going to be an area. Let's do this. This makes things so easier. So much easier. All right. How did I know? How did I know? All right, 446. Where are we? $15-minute chart. 446. Is that where we're at? Oh, looky there. All right, I want to see if 446 still holds as support. That's what I want to see. I want to see this 446 hold as support. Okay, we break back down and test, then I'm just going to, you know, I'll be relaxed. We pull back. Maybe I'll look for the long later in the afternoon. All right, so 446. You know, I'm still watching for Friday's close. It's a few levels here because now we've broken back up to this consolidation, right? And you had the rally here off of this consolidation. What else did you have here? Right? What else did you have here? You had this nice move here. So 446 has some buyers here, guys. So NVIDIA 446. We're looking for the long of 446. If the markets, you have to pay attention to the markets though, because you got to see if what the Qs are doing. 446 long, and where do we think we can get to? I mean, honestly, it's putting in a base here. It's this stinks because there's just like not much. There's not much going on here. So got to get up. This is your first level. This is the first area, 453. All right, 453. What is this? That's nothing. So it's a tight range here. All right, tight range here, 449.70. It's, you know, it's not much. It's not much. You can see how it's starting to crawl and bounce up off of this level. I want to see this thing get to previous highs. All right, I take profits in front of 453. What is this, a 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart? Okay. Let me go to the daily. I don't know why I'm spending so much time on NVIDIA. I really don't. See, fucking God. This is what frustrates me. This is what really frustrates me about these fucking charts. Like, look at it. So, you have a double top here, or double bottom on the daily, 450.75. So 450.75 is going to be our area where we look for actual resistance, because we know we have a double bottom on the daily chart. All right, sorry about that. Let's see, 450.50 is where I'm going to be looking for a resistance. 450.50. All right, 450.50. Yep, 450.91. So where does that come into play? It's not. It's not on here. That's what I don't understand. How is it on the daily chart, but it's not? So 451. That's so weird, isn't it? You guys see that? Look at the wicks on the daily, and then I go to the intraday chart, and then it's not there. That's so weird. Okay, let me make sure I'm right. 450.55. That's what it does. And then what else do we have there? We also have the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is sitting right there in our resistance area. 450.55 is our resistance area. See if we get a pullback up to that level, hit the 9 EMA, see if you can break. But it looks like a nice area for resistance to maybe consolidate and pull back, right? Consolidate, pull back. There's your 9 EMA. And it's going to pull itself down right there to this 450.41. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. And where is it? Okay, so it's counting after hours, I guess. It's counting after hours. Well, okay. All right. So I'm going to look for 450.50. 450.50. We got to see if it can get through that first. That's the first level it's got to get through. All right, let's go to Microsoft. I don't think we did, or did we already do Microsoft? I think we did. All right, I'm looking for a bounce back to 351. If the SPYs and Qs are going to bounce, all right, so we're going to look for the market to possibly rally off the bell. Qs 378.45, 378.50. SPY, we're going to see if we can get a. SPY doesn't look like it has that much room. I hate these fucking charts from Thinkorswim. All right, so 353.69, 353.70 is where I'm looking for resistance. And if we get the bounce with the market, look for these stocks to go long and then look to take profits for the short because we can put in a range today. I'm going to get these. Let me get my charts. We got 10 minutes till the bell. Let me get my stuff ready to go and we'll go over it. We still have Kava. IINN. Is that IINN? Let's see. Alright, yeah, I don't even want to fool with that. I had more, guys. I'm gonna look at some mid-cap tech companies like Snap. Like, look where Snap is. Snap might be a decent long. Alright, you could get at least, you know, a bounce to $12.99, $13. Right? A bounce to $13. And this is the 15-minute chart. So wait, there's the support right there. So that is the area of support. Would be, yeah, $12.99. Sorry, these smaller ones are a little funny to try and chart. So there's some nice trades here, even if you just buy the stock. You know, a bounce here. See if we can, if it breaks through this low here at 12.83. Look for it to get to $13 and test this base that it put in. All right, and then maybe it pulls back off of it. You know, it just these stocks look like they're going to rally with the market. All right, Roblox doesn't look like it. Looks really weak. Roblox looks really weak. You know. Unfortunately, you know, same with AMD. AMD, look for a bounce to 112.40, 112.50. Now you gotta watch for AMD. It has been weak. It's just it looks like the market wants to pull up, and then we're pulling up into resistance. But if that resistance doesn't come in play, and we continue higher, AMD could very well end up back at 114, or we could see it back down here at this triple bottom at 107.50, 107 area. All right, pretty simple day. You know, that's really. I'm gonna go. Like I say, I was looking at Tesla. Um, I'm running out of time here. I gotta get my chart set up. We have 10 minutes and whatnot. I'll do Tesla real quick and then I'll get my charts up. So again, if you didn't get that AMD 112.50, all right, is the upside. Even if we pull back, let's say we pull back off the bell to 110.50, get a long right to 112.50. All right, that's a $2 move from 110.50. The pullback from Friday's lows looks like it's pulling back now. It all depends on the market. If the market goes up, we know we're going up. The market's going down. We want to go what's weak, what's strong, and we want to go with the trend of the market. I mean, honestly, Tesla might have a crash course. Might have a might see this 50-day coming. Thought I was going to miss the bell. Cat was out. Whatever. Whatever.
Benching and market update, S&P futures up 9.50, the Dow futures up 43, Nasdaq up 34.75, crude is up 61 cents at $77.68.
Guys, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Bitcoin
Let
futures
me.
down 660 at 29,225. 1 minute to the U.S. market open. AMBO Education launching hybrid IU AI digital education solution. That's Alpha Michael Bravo India, AMBO.
All right, so we said we were watching for this area up here. It's finding support here. It's good. See if we get a little rally. Where are we gonna want to look? Where are we gonna want to look? Possibly Tesla, Nvidia. What's gonna be strong today? Kind of curious to know that myself. All right, where's level 2? I was thinking that this looks a little too good. It's almost 9:30, guys. Oh, man, my fucking back is literally trashed. It's so trashed this morning. And I didn't do anything to it. I might have just moved wrong or something. Come on. Oh my god. Ah. If anybody can help me reset chart to default, like save it, apply. I would love to save this like any other like thing that I do on here, but it's not there. I don't see it. You guys might have trouble. I'm gonna have to fix the thing. I gotta make this a little bit bigger, guys. I do apologize. Time and sales. Let's go, guys. Good luck today. Good luck today. Let's go. Give me MACD. Tesla falling out of bed. Is Tesla falling out of bed already?
Dow Jones Industrial Average up 43.86.
No, it's not.
S&P 500 up 12.89 points.
Wonder if this could be a nice long there for Tesla. All right, look at the SPY ripping, guys. I told you. I told you guys. All right, I told you. Look for the long off the bell. Watch AMD. No, I'll keep that up. I'll keep that one up, and I'll keep the. What did we say for AMD? Was I not able to get it? 112.45. Yeah, 112.45. Oh, ooh. AMD doesn't look good at all. You want to watch?
ABLD applied digital shares spiking here after the open up 14% now. Alpha Popular Delta Company reporting their earnings results.
AMD's so weak, guys. I mean, it's a range.
Company reporting guidance better than expected.
Wow. I can't get over how weak AMD is, guys.
$8.92 APLD.
This is crazy. You guys see this? Look how weak AMD is. Look how weak AMD is. Maybe it's just a fake out. Maybe it's just me. You know? I'm not sure, though. Yeah, that is coming in on lower volume. There is VWAP. Oh, that's right. You did have news for AMC. There's the resistance. No. There it is. A deal on fentanyl. What? They're making deals on fentanyl? There was something that just came out with China and Fetty. Something with China and Fetty Wap. Oh, my back. Guys, I'm telling you, man, my shit is trashed right now. Alright, that's a rejection of the 9 EMA. It looks so weak compared to the overall markets. I mean... My mic's not even on, so I apologize. This thing starts pulling back and then just pulls right back to the upside. You're not going to get paid if it goes down and then comes up, and it goes down and then comes up. You know, it's good. You're going to have to fight for a win. Look how strong the SPY is, guys. I told you it looked like you might want to be long the SPY, okay? You may want to be long the SPY. That's a nice move to the upside. Very nice move to the upside. AMD, not doing anything close to that. Not doing anything close. Let's do it, guys. I'm ready to kill it today. I really am. Alright. I don't know why AMD is so weak. I really don't. Look at it. Look at what it's doing, guys. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Oh my god, I hit it twice and then it just fucking flipped on me. Fuck you. This is the kind of morning I'm gonna have. This is what I'm talking about. I wouldn't even mess with AMD right now. It's gonna go down and it's gonna come up and then it's gonna go down and it's gonna come up. You gotta be kidding me. I got fucked. I got fucked on that one with a big old F word. Fucked. Just like my back. There's kids around. Sorry. I'm not sorry. I did not mean to take that entry. Took the entry and then it took off on me. I still think you might get it to the long side. I think that's more of a shakeout. You know. It's just. It could just play with you. You know. Let's see. What did we say? We said AMD 112.45 would be the long if we got it. Oh, my back. It's just going to play around, guys. I really think it is. I think it's just going to play around with you. It's so weak compared to the overall market. So that was a down day. Settings. Equities.
APLD, applied digital, making more new highs, $9.59, up 23% now. Continuing to spike here. AMC, Alpha Michael Charlie, resuming. Continuing lower now, $5.04. On AMC, still up about 16%.
Oh, my back. What the fuck? Alright, think we gotta be long, guys. Got it. What? Oh my god, this is the day I'm gonna have. This is the day I'm gonna have. I feel it. I fucking feel it. I feel it already. I feel it. It's gonna do nothing but fuck with me all day. Everything. I can just feel it. It's all good. Oh, my fucking back. Let's see if we get some dip buyers here on the SPY on 453.66. Alright, see if we get some dip buyers. The volume's still pretty low. Should be mediocre, pretty. Oh wow.
Coming up at 9:45, the S&P Services PMI and Manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing PMI 46.4 expected, Services PMI 54.
Guys, so obviously top TUP. There's a gap fill right here. Profit is $2.26. You have a pivot low. Oh my god, my fucking back. There is a gap fill here. Where's she at? Right here. Alright, these are the areas you're going to want to watch. And then you have your 200 day. Alright, support. Right there. Alright, these are the areas I'm going to be watching.
Continuing to pop here. About 25%.
My fucking back. Dude, AMD fucked me so good. So good. It just made me its bitch this morning. I have no idea what was going on there. I have no idea. I should have just been more patient. Alright, so here we go, guys. We have the SPY now. We have the SPY that we... We're looking at the SPY is going back to the upside, guys. Back to the upside. Gotta watch if it cannot break up above here. I might take the day off. I really might take the day off because it seems like everything's fucking with me. From my computer, the charts. I mean, this is going to be tough if we break up through there. I just feel like this is too big of a zone. Oh my god. Let's see if we get a pullback. Watch us get a pullback and an AMD just fall out of bed. Would not surprise me one bit. Just gonna watch it. Okay, so there's TUP. We have a nice increase in volume on the breakout. This thing is $1. Guys, TUP is putting in a nice setup here. TUP. I would just watch it. See if we get like a nice consolidation. Get 90 MA VWAP to catch up for an entry.
Services and manufacturing PMI for July.
Alright, so we do have data getting ready to come out. Also, keep an eye on your level 2. Look, they're all buying. Breaking the high. See how it flashed? See how there was a little bit of selling into that zone right there? You can expect that. You can expect that. This thing might take a little bit. Did it go any higher pre-market? I wasn't watching any of these. Okay. Alright, let's go. Time is cooking. I'm doing too many. I hate how many times it makes us click. I gotta figure out. If any of you guys out there that have Thinkorswim or use Thinkorswim, maybe I'll just look it up myself. I can look it up. I need to know how I can just continuously not click so much. This motherfucker eating on a fucking stream. Nobody wants to hear that. He's fucking slobbing on something over there.
46.4 expected. S&P futures right now.
Alright, so it's pulling back.
84.50. Up 20.50. Moving back towards the highs now.
Alright, let's do it. So far we have a low volume pullback into that prior area that was a bit of resistance, and we broke it. Look, you're starting to see buyers step right in on it. This thing's just got momentum. It's got momentum. Just be careful. Watch the SPY. It's having trouble up there at this level. I gotta get mine. Alright, let's see. Look at AMD, right back down. So it popped up to yesterday's close, right back down. It's on lighter volume though. Wow. Isn't that lovely, guys? How lovely is that? Look at AMD. Are you fucking kidding me? I swear to God, I could just fucking smash this fucking screen. I knew it. I should have kept myself in it, and I said it. I said, if you're going to be short AMD, you're going to have to fight through these pullbacks. It's going to fight through the pullbacks, and look at it fucking falling out of bed. 45.70. Of course they're falling. It's in resistance. I actually want to see if we can get support up here. I actually want to see if we get some buyers to come in. The volume is so low. Oh, my fucking back. What did we say this morning? We said to come up, test the 9 EMA. Right? We said we're going to come up, test the 9 EMA. What did the Qs do? Just that. Just that. Okay? Let's look at the SPY. What did it do? I don't know what the fuck is going. What the hell is going on here? Are you serious? What is going on? So it was Nvidia. I apologize. It was Nvidia. Alright, so I think the SPY can hold up here. It's an increase in volume, but I wouldn't be surprised if we just hold up. I really wouldn't. Really wouldn't be surprised at all whatsoever. Oh, my back. So Qs can break yesterday's close, guys. We might have a nice long. We could get this thing down to like 270, 278. You know, over a couple days. We could. It's got to have a reason, though. This is why I'm like kind of curious if it's just going to trade sideways. We got really low volume today, so we don't necessarily have a reason to sell off other than a technical reason. Oh my god, my fucking back, man. You gotta be fucking kidding me! I fucking hate you, AMD. I really do. For any of you that were able to get the balls to fucking take that AMD trade, you're not doing too bad now. I mean, it's a dollar move. It's like, yeah, it's like $1. It's not crazy, but I just got so fucked. Man, fuck Neo. Neo's a fucking cumbag. Thing is a fucking joke. I'm not like saying anything to you. It's got momentum. Should be a nice trade. I would buy the stock. I'm so fucking pissed. I'm so pissed. The thing is I didn't mean to take the AMD trade. I had my order up. I had everything ready, and I accidentally took it. And I'm like, you know what? Let it go. Let it go. You're coming into resistance up here on Neo if you are trying to play it. Of course. It's just going to be one of the mornings for me, I can tell. But it's going to be good. We're going to have a good week. There goes the SPY. SPY is wicking below that level right there. So, see if it turns this into resistance. Let's see. Oh my god, my back. My back is fucking killing me. See, Neo is just, it's such a shit fucking. It's had a nice run. Look at the volume on it. I mean, it's early in the day. I just can't do it. I can't do it. Can't do Neo. It's a good call out though. I mean, if it breaks this level, if it breaks through high a day, it's got to fill its gap. Then you could get up. It's such an ugly chart. It's just in a downtrend. It did break out over the 200-day and held support. Maybe there's a reason. Maybe there's news. Do you know if there's any news on it or not? Look at the quick rejection there. The fucking Neo. Neo is such a fucking shit. That is a breakout. That is a nice flag here on low volume. If you're going to take the long, I would take it now. I mean, I don't even know if I would take it on a rejection like that off of that level. But look at that. There's your bull flag. Boom, bull flag, right? You have a gap fill. You have 23 fib. You got VWAP there. I wouldn't trust it. I feel like this volume is starting to rise. I really do. I think that volume is starting to rise, guys. Alright. Look at the SPY just falling out of bed. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. Maybe Neo will be on watch later, but it's coming. It's into an area of resistance. I just don't trust it. Doesn't mean it can't go, but I just don't trust it. It's below VWAP now. So you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. We're gonna do this shit today? Is this what we doing today? Is this what we gonna do today? Alright. Okay. Still have that pennant there. I drew 2 of them. I don't normally do that. I'm not one of those fucking retards who draws like just lines splattered all throughout the screen. But I had a pennant here, as you can see, this one. Especially when I put after hours on it. See this pennant here? It's like an ascending wedge. And it broke down. I was looking for the retest there. Or this intraday where it broke down resistance. So I could probably actually get rid of them. Alright. So we're going to find support here and rally up and put in a sideways day. Look at AMD, guys. I could throw up. I could throw up right now. I could throw up. I could literally just throw the fuck up. I had 10 fucking contracts that I stopped out on because I wanted to be patient. Because I thought the SPY had room to go higher. I felt like AMD was putting in a lower high. I did not mean to fucking, my thumb hit the order. I just had the order up to catch a decent price and watch the options. I hit them on 10 contracts. It rips up to the thing. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just fall back. Because this thing continues to go. That's going to be a big loss that I don't need. That I don't need. So that was a stop out. What do you know? SPY's coming into resistance. Should have known, right? Should have known. I said it. I said, watch. If you're going to short AMD, it's going to just be bouncing back and forth before it gives you the move. And it's fell out of bed. I'm sorry if that stuff is loud on you guys. I've just got a lot of anger going through me right now. A lot. So my goal was to just seriously just wait for the SPY. I was waiting for the SPY to tell me whether it was going to break above 450, 436 or not. It consolidated up there and the rest is history. So it's not like this is a crazy big move either. It's just look at your separation from VWAP and 9 EMA. Gotta find something different. Today might not be my day. Now I'm gonna go on tilt. Watch. Watch me go on tilt. Watch me go on tilt.
$4.46 up 34%. VBIG.
Oh, fucking back. All right, Tesla is still, you know, Tesla's still above the opening candle. Keep that in mind. It's putting in a low. There's the bounce. I don't know if I can trust today at all. I really don't. I really don't, guys. If you guys are going to trade, I would be careful, because you got so much data coming out. I don't know if the market's really move. So far 452.75 to 454.45, which isn't too bad. You know, it's like $1.50, almost $2, if I'm not mistaken. 52.75. It's just under $2. It's like $1.50, $1.60. I'm gonna find something here. Maybe I wouldn't want to do this, but you could do an Nvidia short. Just watch out, because the volume might pick up to the upside. Look how low that fucking volume is. That's crazy. Time for doesn't seem like there's hardly any buyers coming in for Nvidia here. It might start to change now. Just don't know who's going to pay up for that. Tesla's still holding. Tesla's still holding. There's your resistance on the SPY. Or it might... Looks like it's going to break through. Look at your volume. This is a 1 minute volume, and it's a little skewed, but let's think or swim for you. The volume is awful. Let's go. What do you want to do, Tesla? What do you want to do? Alright, so there goes the SPY. SPY is rejecting. Let me bring up the Qs. The Qs had a really nice easy chart, guys. Really easy chart. I'm not going to be short the SPY. I'd rather be short the Qs. So if we go here.
ATUS, LT said to be considering sale of Cheddar News. That's Alpha Tango Uniform Sandy.
Oh my god, my back.
That from the New York Times.
Look at the reversal. All right, if I find something, I'll let you guys know.
Coming.
I've already done.
What
I've
else?
already done
Anything else
gotten
that's
myself cut this morning, so I'm just gonna. I can't believe that happened. I really can't. I can. You know, it happens. It's not the first time I've done it. It's not the first. It won't be the last. I don't have any more coffee, do I? Where's my? Snap's really weak, guys. Really weak. These mid-cap tech companies are really weak. All right. I'm not sure if we can get another bounce back to this level of 1275, but I would love that.
$5 up 54%.
1275. Man, if we could get a bounce back to here, that would be lovely. I don't know if it's going to give it to us. If it gives us a bounce back, I would not mind taking this short right there on Snap. It's got to bounce back, though. It's got to give you a bounce back. Look at the Dow. Just soaring. Just ripping. All right. BA. Doing anything. UNH. mRNA. Nothing. Look, it's fucking fell out of bed. God damn. That's a nice move. What else do we have? I might go get some coffee. Look at Rig. Are you kidding me? Fucking Rig decided to go today. So I was telling you guys yesterday, these pipelines. What you want to look at. Alright. There's news out. They have a catalyst with slowing up. The oil stuff, 38.2. This might be a nice volume. Where is the 15-minute chart? The volume isn't that great. Very unfortunate day for me today. Very unfortunate day, and I don't like saying that. And I don't like saying it. Did you guys make any trades today? And if so, on what?
OPTT, shareholder Paragon Technologies, calls on board of Ocean Power Technologies to return years of excessive board compensation back to the company. That's Oscar Papa Tango Tango.
Oh my god, my fucking back. This thing's killing me. I know that clicking's got to get annoying for you guys. I do apologize. Thanks for the likes, guys. That's really nice of y'all. Greatly appreciate it. What's everybody looking at? I could have seriously vomited on an AMD short. It was only $1 miss, but I just keep. Once it blasted up and held that level, I was kind of like, the market's. I just didn't want to hold it. I didn't. Because on a day like today, you don't want to get into something and it just trades sideways. We have such low volume. There's low volume today. The volume's actually started to pick up, so it's not too bad right now. But this morning, it was bad. Everybody was waiting to see the direction. Everybody waiting to see the direction. We're breaking the low of Thursday. And that was the close. My God. What does the SPY want to do? That's what I need to know. I need to know what the hell the SPY wants to do. Again, I would not be surprised if it trades sideways. I just don't know if we have a reason to go down other than profit taking. And I would imagine they send it up before they send it down. Oh my goodness. I had a whole list, guys. I had a whole list. Look at CVX, guys. I told you guys. Energy. Energy, 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 energy. Okay? Come on, Rig. What do you want to do? I need you to do something. Not that I'm in you. I don't need you to do anything, but they're going to be the laggards. CVX. Okay? It's breaking out of the pennant. God, my back is fucking killing me.
KLD Kodiak Sciences halted on the way up on a circuit breaker, $3.81. First fell earlier on some negative news from the company regarding their Gleam and Glimmer studies for diabetic macular edema and macular degeneration. That's Kilo Oscar Delta. Shares now down about 47% off the lows on KOD.
There's another one we gave you.
For a health subsidiary, Pharmaceuticals awarded 5-year VA contract.
When you get these low volume days, and it's just sitting there, you can usually expect a breakout. Unbelievable.
KOD resuming.
AMD right back up to the open. Gold might look like it wants to go to the downside. Actually. Not sure if the dollar's moving up or what.
ESLA shares continuing higher now, $261. Up about 0.5%.
Just gotta chalk it up, man. At least that's what I'm gonna do. It's just one of them days. Gotta start looking at small caps. It's a nice bull flag right there. See if the tape starts speeding up and you get a break through the high here. See if you get a pullback. See if you get people start stepping in right there. This 454 on the SPY is just an area that, even on the hourly chart, is just resistance. Like, see it? Hold on. Hold up. It shows. I don't like this. This is what could be messing me up too. I hate charts. The chart should be what it is. I do not have this on the other chart. What is going on here? I don't know if that's pre-market. I don't know. I'm not even gonna worry about it, but that's crazy because I have like red, green, red, green, red. Yeah, green, red, green, red, red, green, red. Green, green, red. And this candle is down here. It's like it's got a long base in the middle, and then it's green, and then it's red. But that red is still up here with this one. They're all like right here. Maybe it's pre-market. I don't know. I have no idea. Wow. Whatever. Oh, man. Well, so you're starting to see what's going to happen here, possibly. All right, we're probably just going to sit in this range. All right, not too much of a crazy day at all. What we say last night that I forgot about? What we say last night? Wow. Look at JP Morgan. Look at him. What the fuck? Unreal. The Dow might be in trouble. Dow might be in trouble. How do you get GS out of AMD? Where would you look there? Look where we got to, guys. That's funny. I forgot about it. Wow. At least we can give you guys winners. Damn. That sucks. That was our target. That was our target. Literally hit it. That's funny. I want to see where this thing decides to go to now. Oh my god, my back. I don't know, man. This AMD trade hurt this morning. I'm taking it a little bit more personal than I should. I really am. Because it's a rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. That's what happens when you got your finger on the trigger. You know. Walking around with your finger on the trigger and one misstep and pal, you shot your eye out. I may just give it a break today, guys, honestly. I may go focus on something else because I've already just thrown my I'm gonna be on tilt. It's just I don't expect there to be any movement either. Unless we get some of these small caps to go. It looks like the small caps also want to fall out of bed as well. Oh my god, my fucking back, man. I hope you guys are doing alright though. I hope you guys are finding. I mean, if you guys were to go look at any banks we went over yesterday, you're gonna just your jaw is gonna drop because that's where all the strength is in the banks. Stuff that we went over yesterday, XPEV. So a lot of it looks like. So let's look at like EV stuff. Like we could pull up ENPH because I see like Neo and all them. So uncomfortable sitting in this chair. Let's see. So Neo, see these are all like failed. Nope, they did. Did they do the thing? They did the thing. Okay. Okay. Well, we talked that out to you guys. Colin called this out. Member in chat called this out. Volume's still there. It just sucks because now you might be late. You might be. I don't know. It's already up 10%. 10% this morning. That was a buy entry right here. I always tell you guys. Start using the 9 EMA as an area to like get in and get out. There's no volume anymore. That sucks. Great call out, man. I hate Neo. For some reason, I just hate Neo. There's something about it. Let's see here. Boom. Oh my god, my fucking back. So we have Rye, we have Neo, XPEV. I wonder if Run is doing anything. It's not. I wonder where. Was there news or anything for this? I mean, I could always find out. JP Morgan downgraded the stock from neutral to underweight. It doesn't seem like there's any news. There's got to be something going on somewhere for some reason. Look at XPEV. It's so Neo is the winner so far. I said it last night. Fucking China earnings, man. Oh my god. Fuck me, man. I'm sorry if there's kids or if there's anything. If there is, I'll stop cussing, but I'm really frustrated. I'm really frustrated. I don't know. I think you gotta, especially on, let's go to the daily. I don't know if they reported earnings or not. And it's just, this is a sympathy to someone else. There's a gap fill up here that you just struggle with. Been struggling with it. Longer term. Pullback base. Feels like it's trying to bring itself up. Well, it's up 2%. I don't know what's going on. Baba's going crazy right now, guys. Baba is going nuts. I'm not sure if anyone else is seeing what I'm seeing. Oh, so there is news. They're not selling any shares to Ant Group. Look at it. Look at it flip and go. How the fuck do I not get Goldman Sachs? JP Morgan was on them all last night. Guess what, guys? I'm out of here. I'm done. You guys have a great day. I'm going to call it quits today because I'm just not feeling it. My back's killing me. We're going to try it again tomorrow. Good luck the rest of the way. I'm sorry I cannot be here for you. But, sometimes I just got to take a break and walk away. So, you guys have a great day. I'll be back on later on tonight.